Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Surface Pro 8. Here are its features. The most powerful Pro. Surface Pro 8 combines the power of a laptop with the flexibility of a tablet, and every angle in between, with the iconic kickstand and larger 13 inches touchscreen. Surface Pro 8. Unlock more possibilities than ever with the Pro, designed for a pro like you. The first consumer laptop to tablet PC based on the Intel Evo platform and designed to light up the best of Windows 11, Surface Pro 8 combines the power of a laptop with the flexibility of a tablet, and every angle in between, with the iconic kickstand and detachable keyboard with built-in slim pen storage and charging. Expect more from your computer. Surface Pro 8 is designed to light up the best of Windows 11, enabling you to work, play, and create in ways most natural to you. Laptop, tablet, or portable digital canvas, you choose. It's your computer. Experience new Windows 11. Less noise, clutter, and chaos, more creativity and connection. We reimagine the way a PC should work for you and with you. With Windows 11, there's no limit to what you can do. Industry-leading kickstand at any angle. Mark up, edit, or watch a video at whatever angle you need. The kickstand adjusts nearly 180 degrees effortlessly. It's like magic. Our most advanced display in a Pro. Immerse yourself in the high-resolution 13 inches Pixel Sense Flow touch display, now with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, plus adaptive color, and open your eyes to remarkable picture quality with Dolby Vision. 11th Gen Intel Core processors. More power than ever for intensive workloads, combined with built-in active cooling, deliver unprecedented levels of performance in an ultra-portable and versatile package. All-day battery. Stay connected to what matters all day with up to 16 hours of battery life, and fast charging to go from low battery to full faster. High-speed connections with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. Create your ultimate productivity setup with multiple 4K monitors. Always have large creative files on hand with an external hard drive, or create a dream gaming setup with an external GPU. All in an ultra-portable design. Starting at just 1.96 pounds. Life is better together. Microsoft Teams is a great way to connect, and on Windows 11, it's even more fun. Moms, dads, grandparents, and your BFFs are only a few clicks or taps away. Expression made effortless. The new, more intuitive Windows. Say it aloud and have it transcribed with voice typing. Sketch it down with a stroke of Surface Pen. Windows 11 has more ways to adapt to how you think. The ultimate desktop experience. Nothing's holding you back with 2 USB-C and Thunderbolt 4 ports. Go from productive tablet to Adobe Editing Studio to ultimate PC gaming setup. Console caliber gaming. Play together and discover your next favorite game with friends. With Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, access over 100 high-quality games on Surface Pro 8 for one low monthly price. Award-winning shows and amazing apps. The apps you need to work, the shows you love to watch, find them fast with the redesigned Microsoft Store. Search for the show, game, movie. Whatever you're looking for can be found in one simple search bar. Access what you care about faster. Windows 11 comes with widgets and enhanced browser performance from Microsoft Edge. A perfect combo for performance and personalization. Positively productive. Quickly create and share content that stands out, manage your schedule with ease, effortlessly connect with others and enjoy peace of mind with Microsoft 365. The perfect way to view everything. Surface Signature 3:2 aspect ratio means you're viewing everything perfectly scaled, with 18% more vertical screen real estate than a typical laptop. 4 Plus, with Windows 11, arrange your apps into groups and optimize screen space with tools like Snap Assist. Stores securely, always ready. Wireless charging means Surface Slim Pen 2 is ready to go whenever you need it. Secure storage in Surface Pro Signature keyboard means you won't have to go looking for your pen at the bottom of your bag. Windows 11 brings you closer to what you love. Family, friends, passions, music, creations. Windows 11 is the one place for it all. With a fresh new feel and tools that make it easier to be efficient, it has what you need for whatever's next. Easy adaptability. Personalize Surface Pro 8 with Surface Adaptive Kit, featuring keycap labels, port indicators, and 3-dimensional stickers to more easily use and connect your computer and compatible accessories. Stores securely, always ready. Surface Slim Pen 2 pairs and charges wirelessly, stored securely in Surface Pro Signature keyboard, so it's ready when inspiration strikes. A real keyboard. Sleek and compact, Surface Pro Signature keyboard performs like a traditional laptop keyboard, complete with a full-function row, mechanical backlit keys and optimum key spacing supports fast and accurate typing. For the everyday pro, pair ultimate versatility with pro performance. The Intel i5 processor is ready to power through your day with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB 6 storage. For the multitasking pro, unlock your pro potential with performance ready to support your multitasking needs with i5 Intel processors, 8 GB RAM and 256 GB 6 storage. For the ultimate pro, choose i7 Intel processors for extra power to tackle any task. Add more memory and storage to make Surface Pro 8 your ultimate pro on the go. Get expert guidance on Surface. Our promise for Surface. Get the most from your new Surface with free shipping, 60-day returns, flexible financing, and remote learning options. Personal shopping appointments. Our Microsoft Store associates can help you with free expert product recommendations, from Surface, Microsoft 365 and all things gaming. Talk with an expert in real time. On your desktop browser, click the Questions? Talk to an Expert box in the lower right corner of this page to chat with us about any Surface device. Specifications. Display. Screen. 13 pixel Sense Flow display. Resolution. 2880 by 1920, 267 ppi. Touch. 10-point multi-touch. Memory. 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB. LPDDR4X RAM. Processor. Quad-core 11th Gen Intel Core i5-1135G7 and i7-1185G7 processor, designed on the Intel Evo platform. Pen compatibility. Surface Pro 8 supports Microsoft Pen Protocol. MPP. Surface Pro 8 supports tactile signals with Surface Slim Pen. Battery life. Up to 16 hours of typical device usage. Windows Hello Face Authentication Camera. 5.0 MP front-facing camera with 1080p Full HD video. 10.0 MP rear-facing autofocus camera with 1080p HD and 4K video. Wireless. Wi-Fi 6. 802.11 AX compatible. Bluetooth wireless 5.1 technology. Battery capacities. Battery capacity nominal. WH, 51.5 watt-hours. Battery capacity min. WH, 50.2 watt-hours. What's in the box? Surface Pro 8. Power supply. Quick start guide. Safety and warranty documents.